High temperatures we reached yesterday across central Texas. 106 at Camp Mabry here in downtown Austin. That beat a record from back in 1923. Certainly unusually hot weather. 105 there at ABIA. That was also a record for the day. And that wasn't even the hottest we saw. 107 over in Lakeway. The same in LaGrange. 104 in Bastrop. Over 100 yesterday wherever you were across central Texas. And it looks like today there's a little bit more of the same, unfortunately, for your weather headlines. A warm and muggy morning out there right now, near record to very likely some record highs yet again today. But there are some changes in store soon. A little cold front, a very unusual situation here in the early part of summer, is set to move through later today, bringing some rain chances and some cooler weather as soon as tomorrow. So we'll talk about all that here in just one moment. Live shot from the downtown camera. Beautiful sunshine there over the city of Austin. A couple of clouds out over the airport sensor. Officially partly cloudy skies. 76 here in town. Winds are calm. It's a little humid out there. Humidity up there at 69%. 81 already in Burnett this morning. 73 though in Llano. Nice and cool in Fredericksburg. Cool relatively speaking, of course. 70 degrees. A little warmer off towards the east though. Mainly in the upper 70s this morning as they have a little higher humidity over in that area. A couple of high clouds coming down from a little convective complex in North Texas. We won't expect anything more from that today than just a few cirrus clouds out there filtering out some of the sunshine. But let's talk a little bit more about the reason for this incredible heat. Check out the upper level wind field. This big ridge is high pressure over the western United States, and even though it's centered all the way out there near Las Vegas, it's big enough to exert a major influence on our weather. But things will be changing over the next 36 hours. Let's advance this. As we head towards the next 24 to 36 hours, see that ridge of high pressure shifting off towards the west? That's going to do a couple of things. First of all, it's going to keep it very, very hot for folks over in the west. Over the next couple of days, we're talking about highs in Las Vegas, 118, possibly an all-time record there, 126 over in Death Valley, so trouble for them. But as that shifts out of our area, we're expecting a little cool front to push through the area later this evening. Now that's going to bring a couple of things for us here in central Texas. First of all, not nearly as hot on Sunday going into the coming work week. And second of all, nice little chance of showers and thunderstorms. So for today, 105, that's 1 degree off of our record, and I think we'll miss that thanks to those northeasterly winds coming in behind that front later this afternoon. It'll bring just about a 10% shot of an isolated shower or storm. Tonight, a little bit better chance of rain, but most of us still remaining dry. Cooler, though, behind the front, 72 degrees for a low temperature. We'll see a better shot at some showers and storms tomorrow, 30%. And look at that high temperature, 96. That's sure a lot cooler than 105. A slight chance of rain lingering through Monday morning. Dry for the middle of the week, but then another disturbance just in time for the 4th of July. We may even have to up those rain chances as we get closer.